This is an example of how to use the arithmetic series formula. So our series formula is to see how much each member of a sequence from a first term to a given last term will add up when we actually sum them together. So rather than adding up the given number of terms, we have a formula we follow. That formula is Sn equals n times a1 plus an over 2. So if I'm looking, in this case, for the sum of the first 8 terms of the series, I need the value of my first term, I need the value of my 8th term, and then I need to know the number of terms that I am looking for. So in this case, if I'm rewriting this formula, I have S8, so I'm using that target. N would be, I'm looking to add up the first 8 terms. A1 is 7 as indicated in our information box. So I'm using my 7. I'm adding an, my 8th term, which is here. So I'm using 56. So 7 plus 56, all divided by 2. So now I can do my parentheses. 7 plus 56 is 63. I have 8 times 63 divided by 2. I can do 8 times 63, and that will give me, bringing up my calculator, 8 times 63 gives me 504. Uh-oh. Don't want to lose that. 504 divided by 2. And when I divide 504 by 2, I get 252. So my answer is 252. So I can then plug that in to my actual solution for the sum of the first 8 terms. Now my second job here is to find the sum of my first 20 terms. So now I'm going to go back in and erase what I had input, and we'll see what I end up with. So now I am looking for the 20th term. So I'm going to start by doing the sum of the first 20 terms. My n will be 20 now. If I go back up to my formula, my a1 value is still 7 because that is still my first term, but now my 20th value is 140. So that will be the number that I input here, 140. 7 plus 140 is 147. I have to remember to change that 8 to 20. So I'm going to multiply 20 by 147. And when I do 20 times 147, I get 2,940. 2,940, and when I divide that by 2, I get 1,470. So I'm going to erase my old answer, add in my new one, 1,470, and that will be the answer that I input here for 20th, 1,470 for 20 terms in the series, when we add up the first 20 terms. So this is how to use an arithmetic series formula.